Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all the gorgeous people of ARY Digital. Karachi Kings finally sneaked into the playoffs by a sniff of margin by beating Quetta Gladiators, and they have made it to the playoffs. But the top team obviously has been Islamabad United. They have 16 points. They got the better of Multan Sultans. And the third team is, of course, Peshawar Zalmi, and the fourth followed by Karachi Kings. To discuss all about what's happened so far in the PSL and which team looks to be the team to beat in the playoffs, I have a battery of panelists. For the first one, definitely Shahid Hashmi Saab. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Then I have Sikandar, who is also commentating for the PSL. Sikandar, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
And Qasim Ali, who is the ICC head coach. Welcome to all of you guys.
Thank you. Welcome.
All right, first question, Shahid Hashmi Saab, monkey of the head, या क्या कहेंगे उसको? कराची किसी ना किसी तरह अंदर आ ही गई.
Finally, और अच्छा खेले last two matches. Imad showed bravery, which we have been talking about in the last few episodes. उसने led from the front और टीम भी अच्छा खेली, सपोर्ट किया, और वो ट्रेडिशन PSL की प्लेऑफ में हर दफा पहुंचने की कराची have kept that, maintained that. Now 3 matches to go for the cup, to retain the cup, to defend the cup.
3 matches to go to retain the cup and defend the cup. Sikandar, let me come to you. You've seen the PSL from the start, and Islamabad United, after they've come here, they looked a totally different outfit.
Oh yes, I mean, Islamabad United is one of those teams like Multan that they are so balanced. They haven't had many changes in terms of foreign players traveling or coming in and going back. And to their luck, just at the right time, they've been clicking. In T20, अगर आपका opening pair या top 3 perform कर रहे हैं, तो फिर आप on the road to victory है, because अगर आपको ऐसे start मिल जाए, तो आपके bowlers फिर बाद में जो हैं वो इतना pressure feel नहीं करते. तो इस्लामाबाद I think बड़े अच्छे तरीके से चला है. कल भी उन्होंने थोड़ी सी और bench strength को try किया. ये नहीं कि वो उनको खिलाएंगे playoffs में, लेकिन उन्होंने दिखा दिया कि मतलब they can actually challenge any side.
Qasim, how do you see Multan Sultans going into the playoffs? Because they are going to play the first qualifier against the team which they lost yesterday.
Yeah, I think they've got a very good chance. They've obviously got some momentum up until last night's game. They had a bit of rotation last night, but I think they're very well balanced. Like Sikandar Bhai said, they've got a really good depth of bowling, also power hitting, and an exceptional good leaders in the side. I think credit must be given to the coaching staff for actually building confidence in this team and gaining some momentum going into the qualifier. So I think they're looking very strong. Islamabad are a very strong side, and I think actually this should really be the final. For me, this should be the PSL final match, 2 best strong teams. But let's see who wins.
Shahid Hashmi साहब, अब एग्री करते हैं कासिम भाई से, कहते हैं कि the top 2 teams to be in the finals?
डेफिनेटली, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि जो T20 टूर्नामेंट्स या कोई भी टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं, यू नीड टू बी पीकिंग एट द राइट टाइम. कराची इज पीकिंग एट द राइट टाइम. दे हैव हैड देयर सेटबैक्स इन द मिडिल ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. इस्लामाबाद का एक ही सेटबैक आया अगेंस्ट लाहौर कलंदर व्हेन दिस टूर्नामेंट ओपनड इन अबू धाबी. So they must guard against complacency. They must guard that they did not have a bad day. So वो पीक तो कर गए, लेकिन अगर एलिमिनेटर में या क्वालिफायर में किसी भी दिन उनका बैड डे आया, just 1 match, just 2 matches and they are gone. So Multan Sultan is peaked at the right time. They have a very good combination.
Okay, so हम सीधा playoffs पे आते हैं, rather first qualifier पे आते हैं. सिकंदर, Multan Sultans versus Islamabad United. They lost the first game when they came in UAE, but after that they won all the games, and their foreign players also have been playing well. Is that separates them from the rest of the team, Sikandar?
You know, Islamabad United, of course, it's a complete unit, and both Islamabad and Multan are 2 sides. You can sense it, you can see it that they're enjoying the cricket. That's very important. अगर आप अपना cricket enjoy कर रहे हैं, they're backing each other, तो आप definitely आपकी performance भी उसी तरह show करेगी. Yes, I agree with you guys saying कि अब playoffs है, और यहाँ पे you can have a bad day at office. Yes, of course. You can lose a game, you can go, but these top 2 teams do have that window of correcting their mistakes, because जो जीतेगा final में जाएगा, जो हारेगा उसको एक और opportunity मिलेगी. But I think Islamabad United के पास हर किस्म की variation है. टैकल करने के लिए ऑपोजिशन को। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से असेस कर लिया है। मैं इतना शायद कन्विंस नहीं था कि उस्मान ख्वाजा जो है वो ओपन करें मनरो के साथ। उस्मान ख्वाजा डेफिनेटली वेरी गुड बैट्समैन, बट अगर आप वैसे ही किसी दिन कोई किताब उठाएंगे तो यू विल नॉट कंसिडर हिम एज अ पावर हिटर और समबडी you would take in a T20 side or country side. But he's adapted himself so well to the conditions, and he has understood his role when he's opening with Colin Munro. और वो दोनों एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं। और उसके बाद फिर इनके पास बैटिंग स्टाइल्स में बड़े जो है डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस मौजूद हैं। शादाब कभी आ सकते हैं 3 पे, कभी वो रोल इफ्तिखार को देते हैं। इफ्तिखार जितना फ्लेक्सिबल बैट्समैन अभी तक नजर नहीं आया पीएसएल में। बॉलर्स की आप बात करें तो अगेन वही वाली बात आती है कि शादाब उनके पास कोई एज सच एक्स फैक्टर नहीं है, बट उनके पास जैसे नूर अहमद है कराची के पास, या आप अबरार की बात करेंगे, लेकिन उनके पास रिलायबल रिसोर्सेज बहुत सारी हैं। और लास्ट मिनट पे अपने प्लान्स को अगर उनको चेंज भी करना पड़े तो आई डोंट थिंक कि उनको इतना ज्यादा वरी होगा।
Asim, let me come to you. How does Multan Sultan get the better of Islamabad United? What should they do to beat this strong Islamabad United side?
I think it's going to be a very tough task. I think execution on the day is going to be very, very key from a coaching perspective. I think from a playing perspective, I would like to see the 2 spinners going into this team, Qadri and also Imran Tahir. I'd like to see both of them playing on that wicket. Maybe that could really sort of hold up the back end of the innings. I think they will make a big difference. But you can't take anything away from Multan because they look such a compact unit. The seamers are doing the job, the batters are doing the job. As a fielding unit, they're doing the job. Islamabad are a tough unit. They bat all the way down to the bottom. I agree with Sikandar. With obviously Usman Khawaja coming in, he has been phenomenal up front, and he's almost peaked at the right time. That 100 for him was exceptional. But Multan have got a strong bench as well. So whichever format they go with, whichever team and combination they go with, I think it'll be a very, very exciting game. I think execution on the day down to the 1% margins will be the winner for me at the end.
Shahid bhai, मैंने कासिम से पूछा कि how do you going to beat the strong Islamabad United? आपका क्या ख्याल है कि मुल्तान सुल्तान हरा सकता है और कैसे हरा सकता है इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड को?
बिल्कुल हरा सकता है। जैसे हमने देखा लास्ट नाइट दे वर 90 93 विदाउट लॉस और सडनली उनकी विकेट्स गिरना शुरू हो गई। वो मेंटेन करें, उसको ओवरकम करें। डोंट लूज योर विकेट्स, प्ले ऑल योर 20 ओवर्स, स्कोर 200 प्लस एंड देन अटैक, then take wickets. They have got a very good bowler in Shahnawaz Dhani, top wicket taker with 20 wickets. Imran Tahir is a very good spinner. Usman Qadir, although वो शुरू में उसको इतना नहीं खिलाया, but he is also a very good wicket taking spinner. तो अटैक करेंगे तो जीतेंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि इस्लामाबाद do not have any weaknesses. हर टीम की weaknesses होती हैं। आप अटैक करें। On that day, if you are good, you can beat any side in the world.
Thank you guys. Great having you all. And we look forward to catching you guys soon.
Thank you so much.